Anthology Ally provides feedback to instructors for the accessibility of the content that has been uploaded directly into the LMS. This is displayed with an accessibility indicator gauge next to each piece of content. By hovering over it, you'll able to see their accessibility score for this content, and when clicking on it, the Instructor Feedback panel will be launched. From here, you can get more information about all of the issues that have been found in this particular document. And also, more specific information on each one, including what the issue is, and why it is important, and get step-by-step guidance for remediating it. Once all of the issues have been resolved, you'll be able to replace the original piece of content with the updated, more accessible version by simply dragging and dropping in the box, or you can browse to the computer to upload it back into the LMS. Also, image descriptions or alternative texts are important for users interacting with the LMS using a screen reader. Anthology Ally provides an easy and powerful way to fix issues for images that have been uploaded directly into the LMS. Here is an image that does not have an image description. So, to fix it, you can click in the box, type in the description, click on Add, and that will associate the description with the image.